Welcome back to applelnsider, the channel where we break down technology in the simplest and clearest way so you can decide whether a device is worth your time and money. Today we are talking about a legendary name that has returned in a modern avatar. The Nokia 1100 4G is here. If you grew up with the original Nokia 1100, you know it was one of the toughest, simplest, and most trusted phones ever made. Now it has come back, but with a new twist: 4G connectivity, modern features, and yet that same no-nonsense attitude. So let's dive deep into this review and see if the Nokia 1100 4G lives up to its heritage or if it is just nostalgia with a new coat of paint. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 4G carries forward the DNA of its ancestor. It is simple, compact, and fits easily in your palm or pocket. Unlike fragile smartphones, this phone is made with a solid polycarbonate body that can handle drops, scratches, and rough handling without showing too much damage. The tactile keypad feels satisfying to press, reminding you of those classic days when buttons ruled. Nokia has not overcomplicated the design. The phone is light, yet sturdy, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold during long calls. The speaker grille, the flashlight on top, and the overall block-like build feel very familiar. But now, it feels a bit more refined. In a world of glass sandwiches, this rugged design feels refreshing. It gives you confidence that the phone will last years, not months, and that is something only Nokia can still promise in this category. Number 2. The display. The Nokia 1100 4G comes with a small but functional color display, which is a big upgrade from the old monochrome screen of the classic model. The resolution is modest, but it is bright enough to see under sunlight and crisp enough for reading messages, browsing through the simple menus, or even checking basic web pages on 4G. The display is not meant for media consumption or gaming, but it does exactly what it is designed to do: provide clear visibility with no strain. The screen size keeps the device compact and energy efficient, while still feeling like a step into modernity compared to the original. It is not flashy, it is not trying to be something it is not, but it is practical, and that is what makes it shine. Number 3. Performance. The Nokia 1100 4G is not here to compete with smartphones in terms of raw power. Instead, it focuses on speed and reliability for its category. Thanks to its lightweight operating system and the inclusion of a modern chipset designed for feature phones, the device boots up quickly, responds instantly to key presses, and switches menus without lag. The biggest highlight, of course, is the support for 4G networks. This means you can enjoy crystal clear voice calls with VoLTE, faster messaging, and even basic internet access. The phone never feels overloaded because it is not meant to run heavy apps. It stays cool, consistent, and dependable, something that many smartphone users today cannot always claim. Number 4. The camera. The Nokia 1100 4G does include a basic rear camera, something the original model never had. Now, let us be clear, this is not a camera that will replace your smartphone. The quality is simple, good enough for quick snaps in daylight, maybe capturing a receipt, or a contact number written on paper. It is more of a utility feature than a photography tool. You will not find advanced modes, multiple lenses, or AI features here. But again, that is not the purpose of this phone. For those who need a backup camera in emergencies, it works. For everything else, it reminds you that sometimes less is more. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G truly shines and earns respect. The phone is equipped with a removable battery, something rare in today's world, and it can easily last several days on a single charge. With its power-efficient hardware and smaller screen, standby times are excellent. You do not need to carry a charger everywhere, and if you do need to replace the battery after a couple of years, you can easily swap it out yourself. For people tired of charging their smartphones every night, the Nokia 1100 4G feels like a breath of fresh air. Whether you are using it as a primary phone or a backup device for emergencies, the battery reliability is unmatched. Number 6. Software and features. The Nokia 1100 4G runs on a clean, lightweight software platform that is easy for anyone to use. The menu is straightforward, icons are simple, and navigation is intuitive. You get essentials like contacts, messages, call logs, calendar, and alarms. But you also get modern touches like 4G internet, a basic browser, FM radio, music player, and even support for some lightweight apps depending on your region. Of course, there is also the iconic Snake game, bringing back memories of simpler times. The phone also includes a bright flashlight, a feature that has saved many people in dark situations. It is not overloaded with bloatware or unnecessary complications. It just gives you the tools you need, in a way anyone can operate without a learning curve. Number 7. Value for money. Perhaps the biggest strength of the Nokia 1100 4G is its price-to-function ratio. It costs only a fraction of what modern smartphones do, but in return, it delivers something priceless: peace of mind. You know this phone will not break easily, you know its battery will not die on you after half a day, and you know calls will be crystal clear with 4G. For those who want a reliable backup phone, for seniors who just want something simple, or for people who are tired of smartphone distractions, this phone is worth every penny. It is not trying to compete with iPhones or Android flagships. It is carving its own space in the market where simplicity, toughness, and reliability are valued above everything else. So what is the final verdict on the Nokia 1100 4G? At applelnsider, we believe this phone stays true to its roots while smartly adapting to the modern era. No, it will not replace your smartphone. It will not wow you with flashy features or advanced specs. But it was never meant to. What it does deliver is a refreshing experience of technology stripped down to its essentials. It is a reminder that not everyone needs a giant screen, 10 cameras, or endless apps. Some people just want to make calls, send messages, and trust that their phone will last. The Nokia 1100 4G does all that beautifully. It respects its legacy while embracing just enough of the present to stay relevant. If you are looking for a simple, durable, and dependable device that values function over form, the Nokia 1100 4G is an excellent choice. It is not about competing, it is about completing a very specific need. And for that reason, it earns our respect and recommendation. This has been our in-depth review of the Nokia 1100 4G. Thank you for watching applelnsider. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let us know in the comments, do you think phones like the Nokia 1100 4G still have a place in today's world, or is it all about smartphones now? Until next time, stay connected, stay smart, and keep it simple.